Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 17 of contract costing. CMA Inter contract costing. Okay, please read the question. This is one of the important questions. Please read this question. Illustration number 17. The following is the trial balance Premier Construction Company engaged on the execution of contract number 474 of the year ended 31st December 2015. This is the ended. Amount is given here. This amount is given. The amount received is the rupees 3 lakh. Building 1,60,000. Creditors 72,000. Bank balance 35,000. Capital accounts, this is 5 lakh. Material 2 lakh. Wages 1,80,000. Expenses 47%. Plant 2 lakh 50,000. Total this. The contract number this was commenced on the 1st January 2015. This is the commencement period on 1st January 2015. This is the ending period. Total 12-month period. That is a 1 year. 1,70,000 were sent to the site of the contract, but those of 6,000 were destroyed accidental. This is the 6,000. This is a abnormal loss. This is abnormal loss. This is abnormal loss. Destroyed. Wages of rupees 1,80,000 were paid during the year. Plant with cost rupees 2 lakh rupees 2 lakh were used from the 1st January 30th September was returned to the stores. Plant rupees 2 lakh is, look at here, on 1st January 2015 plant is taken into use, and on 30th September this is returned to the stores. It means plant has been used for the 9 month only. 9 months from 1st January 2015 to 30th September 2015. This is a 9 month period. Okay, 9 month period. September, and was then returned to the store. Material of rupees 4,000 were at site on 31st December. This material at site rupees 4,000. The contract was rupees 6 lakh, and the contract pays 75% of work satisfied. So work satisfied was 80% of the total contract. 80% of work and at the 2012 contract at the end of 2012. Uncertified work was estimated rupees 15,000. This expenses are charged to 25% of the wages. Expenses are charged 25% of wages. Plant to be depreciated at a 10% entire year. 10% plant depreciation is 10% for entire level. This is a question. Now I am going to construct a contract accounts. Look at it. Contract account. Amount particular, this is amount in rupees, this is also in rupees. Okay, look at to raw material sent to site. This is given in the question 1,70,000. To wages 1,80,000 is given. two expenses. 25% of 1,80,000. This is 45,000. But in the question it is given expenses is 4,700. Expenses is 4,700. It means this expenses is for the not for the contract excess. 4,700, 47,000 minus 45,000, 2,000 expenses is other than the contract, and that's why it will go to the profit and loss accounts. Okay, look at it. Thereafter, to plant, this is given 2,50,000. Now by profit and loss account, abnormal loss, normal loss. What is the profit and loss account? This is rupees 6,000. Plant sent to this contract, but those rupees 6,000 were destroyed in accidental. Destroy plant, destroy raw material at accident. Rupees 6,000. By raw material at site, 4,000. By plant, look at it, 2,000, 2 lakhs plant. Depreciation of this 2 lakh is 10% into 9 by 12, because of from the 1st January 2015 to 30th September 2015, this plant has been taken into use, and thereafter it is sent to the stores. Then it will be 1,85,000, and the 50,000 plant, this is used for the whole year, that is 10% of 50,000. This is 45,000. By cost of contract to date carry down, this is taken. Okay, now the whole cost is 6,45,000. This is 6,45,000. This is also 6,45,000. This is 6,45,000. Okay, thereafter you will write here 4,05,000 to cost of contract to date brought down, 4,05,000. By work in progress, 80% of the contract price has been certified by the engineer. To work certified, 80% of 6 lakh, because of contract price is 6 lakh, that is 4,80,000. 4,80,000. Work uncertified, 15,000. Total amount is 4,95,000. 4,95,000. To notional profit, what will be the notional profit here? Notional profit, this is 4,95,000. 4,95,000. The difference between these two is 90,000. 90,000. Here by notional profit, national profit, this is 90,000 to profit and loss account. So what will be? This is the 80% of the work has been satisfied. It means the profit transfer to profit and loss account 2 by 3, that is 90,000. 75% of work satisfied it received. 75%. In the question it is saying 75%. 75% of work satisfied is received by the contractee. Was contract for was 6 lakh and contractee pays 75% of work satisfied. That is here 0.75. Cash received divided by work satisfied. So work satisfied 75% of the cash received is 75% of the work satisfied. Okay. In this case, this will be the 45,000. And to reserve, this will also be the 45,000. Total it will be 90,000. And here it will be also 90,000. This is your contract account. Now you can make the profit and loss account as well. Look at here, profit and loss accounts. Profit and loss accounts. Profit and loss accounts. To contract account, 6,000 which is abnormal loss. To depreciation. To depreciation, look at it. The depreciation which is transfer, which is sent to the stores after using 9 months, rupees 2 lakh, 10%. After using 9 months, the remaining period is 3 months. This is 5,000. Expenses, to expenses. Total expenses is 45,000, out of which for contract expenses is 45,000. This is 2,000 by profit from contract. Profit from contract account. Profit from contract account, this is 45,000. To net profit, 32,000. This is 45,000. This is 45,000. Okay, this is a profit and loss account. Now I am going to make balance sheets. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2010. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2010. Liability, amount, assets, this is your amounts. Okay. Share capital. Share capital, this is given in the question. Share capital, look at it. Share capital is given 5 lakh. Creditor is given this. Profit is already given. Share capital 5 lakh. profit and loss account, profit and loss account. This is we have calculated 32,000. Creditor 72,000. Building information is given in the trial balance 1,60,000. Plant at a stores, at a store, look at it, 1,85,000 the plant. The depreciation of the plant is taken for the 3 month. Depreciation of the plant is taken for the 3 month, that is 5,000 here. And now the plant was the cost this after returning 9 month using, after 9 month using return, this is 1,85,000. So this is 1,85,000. 5,000 is a depreciation. 5,000 is a depreciation for the 3 month. 5,000 depreciation for 3 months. This is 1,80,000. Okay, plant at site. Plant at site. What is the plant at site? 50,000 was the plant. That is the 5,000 depreciation for the whole year. That is 45,000. This is 45,000. Raw material at site. Raw material at site rupees 4,000. Raw material at a store. At a store 30,000. How this come rupees 30,000? Please try to understand. In the given questions, raw material you have purchased the 2 lakhs. Okay, out of this 2 lakhs, 1,70,000 material is sent to the contract site. It means the remaining 30,000 raw material is still at a store, and 1,70,000, after using 1,70,000 material, 6,000 is destroyed by accident and 4,000 is still we have for further use. Okay, 4,000 is still we have for further use. Okay, now bank balance is given here. Bank balance, this is 35,000. Bank balance is 35,000. Work in progress. Work in progress. Work certified. Work certified rupees 4,80,000. Cash received 3 lakh. This is 1,80,000. Work uncertified. Uncertified 15,000. 1,95,000. Reserve 45,000. This is 1,50,000. The total amount is 6,04,000. 6,04,000. Here 6,04,000. 6,04,000. Okay. In this way, this question has been completed. This is one of the best questions. Please exercise, revise this question once, 2, 3 times to make your confidence good. And please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Okay, thank you, class.